Friends, welcome back to Think YouTube, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your YouTube feed blank. Now, this normally happens, guys, when you have a new YouTube account. Let's say you have a new Gmail account and head over to youtube.com for the first time and you will see that it's blank. And the reason for this is that because YouTube don't have enough data from you to build up your feed, so that's why it's blank. And as you can see here, it says try searching to get started. Start watching videos to help us build a feed of videos you will love, right? So it's very easy to do. All you have to do is just start building up watching videos and so forth. So let's say I would like to search, for example, video from my channel, one of my other channel, Drew Tutorials. So guys, if you like to learn a lot, you can check out my channel here. Let me show you what it looks like. So you can head over to my other channel, Drew Tutorial, and you can find quite a lot of videos there that you can watch, right? So you can head over to the channel here and you can start watching some videos. So let's say I'll start watching this one here. Yeah, you just basically need to start watching some videos, guys. And once you start to watch some videos, right, YouTube is going to start to recommend things to you and so forth. So you need to go ahead and start. So you just need to start watching some videos, start clicking on some videos, and you will be able to see that your feed start to show up much more like this. So I'm going to go ahead and go back to my homepage here, and you will see that it start to show something, and that's it. So you just need to start watching some videos and then YouTube will start to populate. And now you can see here my home page or my home feed now has content published to me by YouTube. And that's it. That's how easy it is to fix it, guys. Very easy and very simple.